Step into the heart of South Indian cuisine with our warm and inviting Ven Pongal recipe. This dish embodies the essence of comfort and tradition. To embark on this culinary journey, gather the following ingredients: rice, yellow split moong dal, ghee, cumin seeds, black pepper, ginger, curry leaves, cashews, and salt. Start by washing the rice and dal thoroughly. In a pot, combine the rice and dal with the appropriate amount of water. Let them simmer until they achieve a perfect, creamy consistency, creating the foundation of our delightful dish. In a separate pan, heat a generous amount of ghee. Add cumin seeds, black pepper, finely chopped ginger, and curry leaves, infusing the kitchen with an enticing aroma. Toss in cashews for a delightful crunch, allowing them to turn golden brown. Now comes the magical part: unite the sautéed mixture with the cooked rice and dal, ensuring the flavors intermingle harmoniously. Season this comforting blend with a sprinkle of salt, adjusting it to your taste. Stir gently, allowing the spices and aromatics to dance together, creating a symphony of flavors. The result? A steaming bowl of Ven Pongal that not only warms your soul but transports you to the heart of South India. Serve this aromatic dish in individual bowls, garnishing it with a few extra curry leaves or cashews for a touch of elegance. Whether enjoyed as a breakfast delight or a cozy dinner, our Ven Pongal is a celebration of the rich culinary tapestry of South India. Bon appétit!